I'm back. Okay, here I'm going to try to figure out how to get these double stops on rain clouds. I just kind of had a breakthrough. Like when you go, you can do, remember that hook we had? You know, on, let's see, on Herman's hornpipe. No, what was it? Anyway, do that hook. So we can try on rain clouds, like when you have just do a little, kind of hit the note and then drop your bow till you hit that double stop. So let's see, letter A. Try again. Again, do a little, just real gentle till you catch that E string. Like that. So make it kind of smooth. Practice doing like a and gradually get faster. Just like so the trick is not to let this part of your hand touch that E string. You have to kind of have it clear and make sure. So you have to kind of bring your elbow around, curve your finger really good, and just and then almost, there we go. So make sure your hand doesn't touch again, like that. So kind of a nice little sound. So is, there. Just can't have your bow at an angle. Kind of push it out. There we go. So eventually, when you get used to that, you can just go right into it and just... So let your bow kind of glide, just nice and easy, easy bow. Go ahead and stop this and maybe try it a little bit. You can stop the video, or I'll just talk a little bit. So now we get down to the bottom of Rain Clouds. So you have an open G in the bottom, and first finger on the D, nice and then come back down to the octave, which is the interval you left off from. So the first measure, back to now. Now you can leave your third finger down. Oh yeah, you have to raise it up. So second and first finger are close together. You see? And leave those down and just put your third finger down. Again, you go. And leave all those fingers down like that. So and then almost like a, you could do that if you want. There we go. Probably best to push the bow out away from you a little bit when you're coming down. Like that. So you can do a kind of a little hook that E, then eventually back to and then octave, first and second, hold them, put your third finger, hold them down, put your third finger down in front, slur to the fourth finger, so when you hit that point, all your fingers are down. Actually, you can release them all when you hit that fourth finger, and then high second on the D, normal third on the A. Then and you do this really nice. So try that. Some of those difficult double stops, just kind of real gentle. Just practice hitting that double stop, the long ladder bow, and just barely keep going till you hook that E string, like that, or do it on an up bow. And then that, let's see, oh yeah. Practice that. So A, C, just kind of, it's like you're carving, like you're cutting, you know. Like if you're cutting, let's say you have a plastic wrap around a bottle, like a medicine bottle, you know, or some wine bottles. But your age, medicine. Then you take a knife and you just slice it around. You slice the plastic so you can get it off. That's kind of that motion, like that, kind of a circular. So try that and see if that'll make those double stops a little more easier to hit, you know. And then so that's the hardest part of the whole song, is that part. So check it out. We'll talk about it.